or sales hunt a jeans in the size for the person you're making it for. Fold that jeans in half and cut at the length you think is best. Also get your hands on a zipper for this project. Now draw 3 vertical lines on each pant leg. This will act as a guide when it's time to add color. You can either use fabric markers or fabric paint to get your colors added. Once you've selected the colors you want, start coloring or painting within the lines you drew. You can mix and match your colors as you go along to create a really cool color block effect. Just keep in mind the pattern you did on one side to do for the other. Now take a black marker or the black paint and create black outlines against each color to make it pop. Cut open the excess jeans legs. Cut out the pieces needed to make the bag. The measurements I used were 8 inches in length and 6 inches in width. Cut 4 pieces in total, so it can have 2 pieces for the front and 2 pieces for the back. This is to make sure that the bag has a nice firm feel to it. First identify which pieces is being used for the front of the bag. Then measure 2.5 inches down from the top edge of both sides. Then draw a line and connect those 2 points you just placed. Cut along that line to separate the pieces. This is where your zipper is going to be attached. Mark the midpoints on both pieces that you just cut as well as the zipper. With right side of the fabric and right side of the zipper facing each other, match the midpoints and pin it into place. You can either glue or stitch that into place. You want to take the other piece, match that midpoint with the zipper's midpoint, pin it into place and either stitch or glue it. Your zipper is now attached. Now that the zipper is attached, it's time to put the bag together. Take your remaining fabric and cut to make a bag strap. Now you can do 1 or 2 things here. You can either follow the above link, which will take you to a video that goes into detail on creating an adjustable bag strap, or you can use yourself as a gauge to make a non-adjustable bag strap and get a length you think will be best for the person you're giving the bag to. Once you've done that, you just go ahead and follow what I'm doing here right now by taking the ends of the strap and attaching it to the ends of the bag for the front piece, as you see I'm doing here. Once you get that done, you just make sure your strap is on top of your front piece, just like this, and you're going to take your back pieces and you're going to lay them right side on top of the right side of the front bag, and you're simply going to put it together. Oh, before you attach the bag, remember to just zip the zipper down a bit. You can use a pin to kind of keep it together, but this will enable you to turn the bag right side out when you're finished. As your bag is complete, take your fabric markers or fabric paint and give it the same color blocking effect as your shorts, and that's it. You're done. So till next time, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you have not subscribed as yet to my channel, please subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Deuces.